This is Ian from Lean Media. Today we'll be disconnecting our Shopify store from Flexport so we can fulfill orders manually. There's a couple steps involved, so let's get started. I'm in my Shopify store right now. The first thing you need to do is make sure that there's no pending orders that are being sent to Flexport. So I've already done that. There's no pending orders. And then actually what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to the Flexport seller portal and then disconnect the the Shopify integration. So this is the home screen for Flexport. On the left side of the screen, you'll see there's an option for integrations. Click that and then select Shopify. And then there's a link that says disconnect. Just do that. It'll say, are you sure? Yes, disconnect it. So that's been disconnected on Flexport's end, which means that there will be no more orders coming through from my Shopify store. There's a couple things that I should do as well. And one of them is going back to your Shopify store, clicking on settings in the lower left corner. And then what you want to do is you want to go to shipping and delivery. You want to go to your general shipping rates. And then if you have fulfillment locations, including anything related to Flexport, you want to remove that. So I'm going to click the little edit icon, and I'm going to select this location will no longer ship products in this profile. Done. So at this point, basically it says the fulfillment location is my PO box address. So I'm going to be fulfilling from that location. The other thing I'm going to want to do in Shopify is go to my inventory and make sure that my inventory levels are accurately reflected what I can fulfill. So when people do place an order on my Shopify store, it'll take a look at my PO box inventory location and say, okay, he has 3 items left. So that's the maximum number I could fulfill for that particular order or from that location. In any case, I hope this has been helpful. If it has, please take a moment to like it and follow me. I'll see you next time.